If you've seen the riddle that I posted or not about I'm not sure if you've seen the riddle that I posted or not about what do I, DeResta, Peter McKinnon, April Wilkerson, what do we all have in common other than we're YouTubers? Well, the answer is a new garage. So this video is going to be a little bit of a garage tour. It's also going to be the official launch of the merchandise. Right now I have t-shirts and coffee mugs. This, it kind of works out in that YouTube is working now with different, I guess, vendors, and you can advertise stuff directly below. So if you feel like supporting the channel, check that out. If not, there'll be a link in the description. And yeah, so this is going to be a tour of the new shop. And this is where I've been. This is where the cars have been moving to. And a lot of good video opportunities and a lot of good project opportunities. I figured the best way to give a tour of this space is to fly the drone around and do kind of a aerial tour. Enjoy.
And off we go. The first thing is a couple of new tools that I'm going to be doing some unboxing videos of, so be sure to check those out. This garage came with an air compressor, a big air compressor, so that'll be really handy. You might remember that fender from having to fix my car in another video. Here's the new Volkswagen project that there will be another video about, so be sure to check that out. And now I'm flying through the lift, which is going to be incredibly helpful to have. And that was a big part of why this garage was so attractive to me. All of my tools will have places to live where they're just ready to use. Of course, the Suzuki motorcycle. And as we turn around and head to the other side, we're going to be going over the Mini Cooper, which is going to be used for weekend racing, over to the motorcycle building area of the garage, I guess you could say. So there'll be more videos on that, I'm sure. Here's the classic Mercedes and Jeep sitting on trickle chargers so the batteries don't die, and of course the Honda over here in the corner. I do have some extra wheels and tires for sure, and there may or may not be more on that later. And that's pretty much it. Here's the big aerial view. One more thing is, this is really helpful as well. There's an overhead like hoist as well as a drop down airline, so those are really nice to have. I've used those a couple of times already. And so yeah, this is going to be a pretty great shop, I think.
And that's it for the aerial tour. The next thing, more cheap Chinese tools. They should be pretty cool. So next thing up is going to be a couple of unboxing videos of these. be sure to check that out. Thank you so much for watching up to this point and to continue watching. Please like if you are excited about this new space. Hit subscribe if you want to see what's going to happen. An upcoming video, the Volkswagen, I need to get it up on the wheel things, but there's going to be a relatively new 4Runner in here, getting a lift kit, some bigger tires. That should be pretty cool. We're going to utilize the lift for that. That I'm sure will be a video. Volkswagen project is going to be videos. This needs a lot of work, so the projects on that probably. And I got all kinds of other stuff, including, let's say, maybe a sneak preview of, I might try to figure out how to get this to fit on the Volkswagen. We'll see. Either way, thanks so much for watching. Keep watching, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.